Hello, I am Haley Prajapati. I'm a software engineering student. This is the content of the presentation. To begin with, the problem statement. Nowadays, security plays an important role in day-to-day life, and the use of internet in human life has become a day-to-day activity. And with the use of internet, the use of automatic devices has also increased. All transactions need to be secured to avoid the theft of information and data. So this system, face recognition system, is a technology that is capable of matching a human face from a digital image or a video frame against a database of faces, typically employed to authenticate users through ID verification. Services work by pinpointing and measuring facial features from a given image. Hence, this system can be applied in many fields, such as to authenticate users and security issues. The significance of the project is that this system actually provides better security and opportunities. It increases the level of protection. For instance, it serves as the foundation for identification of terrorists and criminals. Then the second is face recognition system is easy and fast to integrate. Most face recognition system work with security software, so it's easy. The third is it does more work in a second. It saves your time of attendance, and it makes worthy situations in offices and works fast with fast processing to get through the screen directly. The AI scope. Yeah, the AI scope. Facial recognition system can be used to identify the people in the photos, videos, and in real life also, like CCTV cameras and all. Method is to be composed of 3 parts: face detection, face extraction, and face recognition. Such methods are proposed to illustrate the robustness against the appearance, lighting, and the presence or the absence of the accessories. Performance of the proposed method will be tested among the standard face databases. Then the extensive experiments are applied to demonstrate the effectiveness. The AI research questions for this project, well, these are the questions. What are the most common AI terms and algorithms used? How deep learning can be applied to improve the efficiency of such algorithms? What is the problem? Why is it the problem? And how is it the problem for the project? And how can machine learning be used to improve predictive accuracy? And what are some of the examples of face recognition system? And then the hypothesis. The most common type of machine learning algorithm that is used for face recognition system is deep learning convolutional neural network, that is CNN. The first step of this algorithm is that face alignment and detection, that is to detect face in the input image. Then the second is the measurement and extraction of the features. Like once the faces have been aligned and detected, the next step is to extract the features from them. This is where the CNN comes from. It extracts high-level features from an image, which are used to identify faces in the database. Then the last step is actually face recognition that matches the extracted features with the faces in the database. This is usually done by using a distance matrix, which measures the similarity between 2 vectors. The AI research objectives: it saves images to the database, detects the faces and matches the detected faces to the database, and feature extraction. Then it recognizes the faces and provides accurate information about them, like verification and identification. The dataset description I'll be using in this project. The dataset I will be using will be containing folders of different expression of the human face, namely surprise, anger, happiness, sad, neutral, disgust, and fear. These folders are split into two superfolders, training and testing, so that it becomes easier for the end user to configure any model using this data. It consists of 44 times 44 pixel grayscale images of the faces. This database is also used as a building block to track faces in the images and videos, and to analyze the expression, signs, and biometrics for the facial recognition. The proposed AI methodology for this project is the CNN, which is the convolutional neural network that extracts the features from the images and uses those features to classify the images in two different categories. A shallow CNN only identifies simple facial expressions and features, such as the shape of the nose, the position of the eyes, and a deep CNN identifies more complex facial features, such as the texture of the skin or the shape of the chin. Once a CNN has been trained on a dataset of official images, it can be used to identify faces in new images. This is the continuation. The other one is local binary pattern histogram. The goal of the face detection is to detect and locate in the image to extract the face to be used in other areas. The first thing is that the data is collected. Then after the data is processed, the data here is like the images and all, and the faces. Then the model or the dataset training is done. After that, the model is tested. Well, in face recognition, it will be doing like the detection of the face and all. Then after, it will be doing recognition, which is the model evaluation. Then the AI, the explainable AI will be done, which refers to the technique in application of the artificial intelligence, such that it gives more explainable results to the human beings to understand, and it provides more explainable models. Thank you.